tomato seeds did not survive. It's a barren wasteland in there. So our gardening problem has taken over the dining room table or the kitchen table, and so close to the back door. And we have so much stuff we have to put out. And we don't care how it looks anyway. Okra's rolling. More okra rolling. We're gonna take these outside shortly to get them that full sun exposure before we plant them. What is this? Some kind of squash or cucumber, or cantaloupe, some kind of vine. Yeah, it's more okra. What is this? Parsley? Nope. Some kind of herb Josh is growing there. I think he's growing chives or something. I don't know. So the construction of these boxes, all right? Forget my crabgrass here. Just decking screws, 3 inches, 2.5 inches. 2x4 staked into the ground, everything screwed together. It's like bookends over here, baby. That's pressure treated. When people say it leaches into the soil and it'll kill you inside of a week, but we like to live dangerous. So forgive the weeds, the soil composition. It's like we're gonna mix from a local Nature's Earth store, and they've got it's like composted leaves, various stages of rotting, and it's got like essentially fill dirt, some clay in there. You see there's some rocks in there. Then we add our black cow and our peat moss and all that stuff, and we till it all in there, and this one's ready to be just tilled up and loosened up again, and we're gonna plant the okra. Okra likes the clay, the stones, everything that's in there. It all leaches minerals into the soil, and okra is full of minerals. Just sucks that stuff out of there. So you want happy okra, make sure there's plenty of minerals in your soil. We like to recycle our rainwater because it doesn't have all the chlorine in it, so we employ one of these things. This sucker by itself, as long as we get rain every 2 to 3 weeks, it'll feed the garden. Tomatoes a goat. Early planting was a good idea. Basils going. Roma tomatoes going. Jalapenos going. Peppers, they get there. Eggplant. Oh, there's some flowers. It's gonna get started shortly. Not sure on this plant. Oh, there it is. Hello down there. I see you, yes I do. Rosemary. I'm gonna plant this box. Right now we're growing crabgrass in exquisite soil. This is Josh's cucumber project. I never had any success growing cucumbers vertical unless you could tie them up to a fence. So I'm thinking maybe we take this sucker and move it down there where we got some open fence and it gets light, full sun over there at the end. And then we're just growing dill exclusively for our pickling at the end of the year. One jalapeno plant died. We lost one. Hey, it's not a bad little garden, right? Thanks for watching my video.